Finishing setting down my snap pretzels right here onto my baking sheet. Now you want to grab yourself a bowl, and here I have some toasted coconut. Look at how good that looks, so good. There's about 2 cups of toasted coconut. I went ahead and used this sweetened coconut. I just threw that on the stove for a couple minutes, and look at that, oh my gosh. Oh, smells so good. Okay, now here I have a little bit of caramel syrup. Oh, that is what I'm talking about right there. I'm pouring this entire jar of caramel syrup right here into the dish. I went with this salted caramel from Smucker's, but tell me, what is your favorite kind, right? I don't know. Can you even go wrong? I love caramel coconut, you guys. It is Girl Scout cookie season out there, and I'm not gonna lie, I literally bought 6 boxes of Girl Scout cookies the other day when my daughter was at gymnastics, because I was a Girl Scout for so long, and I did give some away, so I didn't keep them all for myself. But here we go. We're making a twist here on this Girl Scout cookie favorite. Okay, so we have all of that coconut, and we have that caramel mixed right in there. Now we'll grab back in those pretzels, and nice and quickly, we're just gonna take some of this mixture. Look at that. Ooh, you see that glossiness? And we're just gonna put it right on top of the pretzel. So you're gonna carefully and therapeutically just put a little bit on each one of those pretzels. Oh, you guys, patience is a virtue, and this is going to be totally worth it. Okay, we made it all the way through. I'm finishing up putting a nice whopping spoonful on that. These are looking so good. Now grab back those snap pretzels, and you're gonna just place the pretzel right on top. So you see you're just sandwiching in that delicious salty caramel with that coconut. Oh, the toasted coconut in with this pretzel. Okay, my mouth is watering. I have some melted chocolate here, you guys. This is what I like to use. This Ghirardelli dark chocolate is what I chose. Tell me in the comments, what is your favorite thing to do? Now look, you could be fancier with this, but I'm just gonna go ahead and I'm just gonna drizzle just a little bit of chocolate right over the top of these pretzels, just like this. It's gonna sink in to all of those little crevices. If you have a fancy other way, I don't know, you tell me, what do you think? How would you do this? I just really wanted the tops of these to just be drizzled with chocolate, and if it starts to drip over the sides, I am A-okay with that. Oh, yes. Oh gosh, my mouth is totally watering. I am such a fan of sweet and salty. I have a little bit more chocolate in here, and I don't want to waste it. So I'm just gonna go back over, and I'm just gonna swirl around on these pretzels, just covering them up, because wow, it would be a sin to waste chocolate, right? A sin to waste chocolate. What kind of chocolate are you gonna use? You're gonna use milk chocolate, dark chocolate? Tell me all the things. Okay, it looks like we got all of that right there. You know what? If you want more chocolate, you choose the one in the back. You want less chocolate, you choose the one in the front. Perfect. Okay, I'm gonna add a little bit of coarse sea salt right on top of that. Now, of course, this is optional. You don't have to do this, but I am, like I said, a huge fan of the sweet and saltiness, and the caramel and the coconut and the chocolate are gonna be our sweet factors there. So we're gonna have the pretzel and this little bit of coarse sea salt that will sprinkle right over top. And you know what? What are these Girl Scout cookies called? Samoas? I think that's it, right? That's what I'm kind of thinking about right now. But tell me in the comments, let's get a vote going here. What are your favorite Girl Scout cookies? Your favorite ones, I wanna know. Tell me in the comments. Oop, there was a little bit, that's okay. I like it like that. Okay, you guys, perfect. Now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna stick these in the fridge, because I want them to just kind of harden up and really quick, because I want to bite into these. I want to show you guys what they're all about, because I think you're really going to love these. Yes, look at those. They are ready for me to enjoy. Look at this, you guys. I'm going to pick this one right up in the front. Look at that perfect little sandwich. We have a little bit of caramel dripping down, a little salt on the top. Mmm. Wow, these are amazing. Holy cow. My new favorite. You guys, the caramel with the coconut, and then the pretzel and the saltiness and the crunch and the chocolate and the sea salt. Oh my God, it's like the perfect, and look at these little bite-sized pizzas. Oh my God. I am super, super pleased, in love with these. I will definitely keep making these, you guys. Tell me what you think of them in the comments. I hope you enjoy. Delicious. Yum.